Bogwa powers it out for a throw-in for Vihiga. A very impressive Vihiga United side in the second half, Chico.
They have been resilient. They have been more adventurous. I must point that one out. And if any team deserves this one, the 3 points, it could be Vihiga.
Well, they power a throw-in and a header here. Can Vihiga get a goal? Yes! Chico, you spoke too soon here. And yes, Mr. Kigari, the man who Mr. Sita has made amends here. Confusion in that Rangers defense is a last-minute goal here, and a big disappointment for Posta Rangers. Well, Vihiga United, their fans, they are over the moon here. And what a dance. Well, they've come in the second half a very changed side. Amos Kigari is the toss of the Vihiga United side here. He's worked very hard this afternoon.